Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can get Assetto Corsa on your system. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First of all, go to your browser and here search for Steam download. Now here go to the first link and click this download button and Steam will be installed on your system. Just click on this install Steam button and you will be good to go. After Steam is installed on your system, launch the Steam app and just create your account. After you are done creating your account, click on this search bar and here search for Assetto Corsa. Here you can see Assetto Corsa and Assetto Corsa comparison is available. Once I click on this button, you can here see the trailer and description of this game. Now scroll down and you will see a add to cart button. You can just click on this add to cart button to buy Assetto Corsa. And once your payment is done, you will be able to play this game on your system. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.